Hello student, Satkeval Sahel. I Vikas Kacha Patel from Paramguru Pathshala, English Medium School, Sarsa. Today I will start chapter number 1, Relation and Function, Standard 12 Science, Subject Mathematics. In this video topic cover types of relation. There are three types of relation main. First, reflexive. A relation R on set A is reflexive relation. So if AA belongs to R for every A belongs to A, reflexive relation. Okay. Next, symmetric relation. A relation R in a set A if AB belongs to R implies BA belongs to R for every AB belongs to R. Third, transitive relation. A relation R in a set A if AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R implies AC belongs to R for every ABC belongs to R. And equivalent relation. A relation R in a set A is an equivalent relation if R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive relation. Okay. The first, reflexive relation. A relation R in a set A if AA belongs to R for every A belongs to R. Illustration, relation R on a set A is equal to AB. R1 is equal to A and B. Here two elements A and B. So R1 contain order pair A and BB. Okay. Next, R2 is equal to order pair AA, BB and AB. Here on set A, here set A is equal to two element A and B. Here two pair AA and BB in contain R2. Okay. So then R2 is reflexive relation. Third, R3 is equal to order pair AA, BB and BA. Here two element A and B. Here AA and BB in contain R3. Okay. So then R3 is reflexive relation. So then R1, R2 and R3 are all reflexive relation. R4 is equal to AA and AB. Here two elements set A is equal to A and B. Here order pair AA in R4 but BB in not R4. Okay. Here BB does not belongs to R4. So therefore R4 is not reflexive. Next, R5 is equal to order pair AA and BB. Here A in R5, okay, but BB does not belongs to R5. Then R5 is not reflexive relation. Next, R6 is equal to AB and BA. Here set A is equal to A and B. So then first pair AA, the AA and does not belongs to R6. Okay, the A in not contain R6, so therefore R6 is not reflexive. Okay, R7 is equal to AB and BA. Here two pair, okay, AA and BB does not belongs to R7, so therefore R7 is not reflexive. Next, symmetric relation. Okay, here A is a set R. Here a relation R on a set A. Okay, so if AB belongs to R implies BA belongs to R. So for every AB belongs to R. Here AB belongs to R, so then implies BA belongs to R. Answer आपण શું મળશે? BA belongs to R. Okay, relation on set A is equal to 1 to 3. Okay, so first relation R1 is equal to order pair 1 1. Okay, so here 1 1. So 1 1 चेंज करो x અને a અને b ની ऑर्डर पेन चेंज करो तो 1 1 1. ओके, तो 1 1 बिलोंग्स टू ओके ऑन R, so then R1 is symmetric relation. Okay, next R2. R2 is equal to 2, 3 and 3, 2. Okay, so 2, 3 and 3, 2. So then 2, 3 and 3, 2 belongs to R on relation A. Okay, so next R2 belongs to third. R3 is equal to order pair 1, 1, 1, 2 and 2, 1. So 1, 1 change. Okay, so 1, 1 interchange. Order pair 1, 2, the interchange 2, 1. So 2, 1 belongs to R3. Okay, next 2, 1, so interchange 1, 2, the 1, 2 belongs to R3. Okay, so then R3 is symmetric relation. Okay, next R4. R4 is equal to 1, 1, 1, 3 and 3, 1. Similarly 1, 1 in R4. Okay, 1, 3, so 1, 3 interchange, so x and y value interchange करें तो 3, 1. Okay, so 3, 1 in R4, 3, 1 interchange, so 3, 1 is 1, 2. Okay, so then R4 is symmetric relation. Similarly R5 is equal to 2, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 2. Okay, तो 2, 2 तो interchange करें तो 2, 2, 2, 3 तो interchange करो 3, 3. Okay, so 3, 2 belongs to R5. Next 3, 2. So 3, 2 interchange 2, 3. So 2, 3 in R5. So then R5 is reflexive relation. Okay, so then R1, R2, R3, R4, R5 all symmetric relation. Okay, next R6 is equal to 1, 1 and 2, 1. Here 1, 1 the interchange 1, 1. Next 1, 2. But here 2, 1 does not belongs to R6. Okay, 2, 1 does not belongs to R6. So therefore R6 is not reflexive relation. Next R7 is equal to 1, 2 and 2, 3. Here 1, 2. So 1, 2 interchange करो तो आपने AB belongs to R, तो implies BA belongs to R. तो means 1, 2 belongs to R, तो implies 2A, 2, 1 belongs to R. But here 2, 1 does not belongs to R7. So therefore R7 is not symmetric relation. Okay. Next, transitive relation. If AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, implies AC belongs to R. A to B and B to C. So then A to C is called transitive relation. Okay. Relation on set A is equal to 1 to 3. Okay. So R1 is equal to order pair 1, 1. Okay. Here AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R. Okay. But here only one pair. So then AB belongs to R. So BC, that next pair not given. Okay. That means not possible transitive relation. That means R1 is symmetric. Sorry, R1 is transitive relation. Okay. Next R2. R2 is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2 and 2, 1. Okay. Here first pair R1 on a third pair 1, 2. Okay. So 1, 1, 1, 2. The answer is 1, 2. So 1, 2 belongs to R2. Yes. So then R2 is transitive relation. Second pair check करिए. Okay. 2, 2 and 2, 1. 2, 2 and 2, 1. So 2, 2 and 2, 1. So 2, 1 is 2, 1 here present in R2. Okay. So then R2 is transitive relation. Next R3. Every pair check. Okay. AB, BC and BC, AC all pair are check. Okay. R3 is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2 and 2, 3. So here 1, 1 and 1, 3. The answer is 1, 3. 1, 1 and 1, 2. The answer is 1, 2. The 1, 2 in R3. Okay. Next 2, 1 and 1, 1. So then 2, 1 in R3. Next 2, 1 and 1, 2. The answer is 2, 2. So 2, 2 in R3. Similarly 2, 3. Okay. 2, 3. Sorry, 2, 2 and 2, 3. So 2, 3 in R3. So then R3 is transitive relation. So therefore R1, R2 and R3 are all transitive relation on set A. Next R4. R4 is equal to order pair 1, 1, 1, 2 and 2, 1. So first two pair. Okay. So 1, 1 belongs to R, 1, 2 belongs to R. That implies, okay, so 1, 2 1 1 1 2, so then 1 2 belongs to R. Last two pair 1 2, okay, 1 2 belongs to R, 2 1 belongs to R, so then 1 1 belongs to R, okay. But last, okay, 2 1 and 1 2, 2 1 belongs to R and 1 2 belongs to R, so 2 2 does not belongs to R4, so therefore R4 is not transitive relation, okay. Next, R5 is equal to 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2 and 2 3. So here R5 is not transitive relation because 2, okay, 2 1 and 2 2, so 2 2 belongs to R, okay. Here 2 1 2 1, okay. Here 1 1 and 2 1 2, so 1 2 belongs to R5. Same 2 1 and 2 2, so 2 2 belongs to R. Next 2 2 2 3, so then 2 3 belongs to R. So all are not transitive relation, okay. Next, equivalent relation. The equivalent relation, a relation R on a set A is equivalent relation to A. R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive relation. Here one illustration, relation R in the set integer number, okay, Z, so defined as R is equal to order pair xy, where x minus y is integer, okay. So first check reflexive property, okay. So here R is equal to order pair xy, where x minus y is an integer, okay. So check first reflexive property, reflexive relation. The reflexive relation means if A belongs to R, so for every A belongs to R. So suppose x minus x, the x minus x equal to 0, 0 is integer number, okay. So R is reflexive relation. Next, symmetric. The symmetric relation means if AB belongs to R, so implies BA belongs to R, okay. So x minus y is integer, so then is equal to x minus y मध्ये माइनस कॉमन ले लो, तो माइनस ब्रैकेट में y minus x, okay. तो is integer, x minus y is integer, so then minus bracket y minus x always integer, okay. So then R is symmetric relation. Transitive relation, if AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, so implies AC belongs to R, okay. So here x minus y is integer and y minus z is integer, okay. So then sum x minus y plus x minus y plus z minus y, okay. So then y cancel out, so therefore x minus z, the x minus z one integer, because integer plus integer, so then integer, okay. The x minus z is integer, so therefore x belongs to z, okay. So therefore R is transitive relation, okay. So therefore R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive relation, so then R is equivalent relation. You are interested to contact our school, Param Guru Pathshala English Medium School and Sat Keval Vidya Mandir. Thank you very much.